Kisii University is actually going to be the first beneficiary of this affordable student accommodation. We know the challenges that you are facing. We know that where you are staying currently, it is not safe. Some of you live in slums, and those are not conducive for education. It is the truth, and I know it's not just here in Kisii, but it's in many other universities. So this is part of bringing dignity to you as a student and ensuring that you focus on what brings you to the university, which is to learn, and not to worry about your security and where you're going to lay your head. So the kind of accommodation we're going to bring is not just stone structure. It is going to be modern accommodation. We are going to ensure that you have got all the amenities that will make your studying pleasant. One, there will be internet into those buildings. We will make sure that there is safe places for you to cook your food, those who want to cook. There will be proper dining facilities, and there will be proper areas for you to socialize. Going to anchor a university city. So most of you, maybe you've gone to the likes of Oxford University, and you've seen that Oxford University is a university city. So we are going to provide that we have identified very close to the university, which we are going to be negotiating. We are going to be negotiating so that we can be able to put up not just student accommodation, but we can be able to put up other accommodation that will help us to bring people that are living in that subdividing the land so that we can be able to get